So yeah, for a gutter system, a lot of times it can depend on the home and kind of what your goals are for the house as to whether or not you need to replace your gutters. Some of the obvious things are if you have, leaky gutters, leaks at the miters, water getting in a basement, stuff like that, you should definitely have your gutters looked at. But also if you're doing a full exterior remodel of putting on new siding, new roof, and you're changing a lot of the colors, that may also be a reason that you need to replace your gutters so that the colors can match kind of the style that you're going to. But there's a lot of reasons for it. Also, if you just during a big heavy rainstorm you see water overshooting your gutters, you should have somebody come out and take a look at it. Sometimes there are repairs that can be done, but a lot of the times replacement is what ultimately has to happen to fix those issues. That really depends on whether or not they're installed correctly, and then also the weather and the beating they've taken over the years, right? Here in Missouri, I'd expect you to get 20 years out of gutters. But that being said, they could only last you 10 if we have some really hard rain, some really heavy snows, or they're not installed correctly.